Welcome back to Motor World USA, the home of future cars, honest reviews, and everything you need to know before your next big drive. If you love discovering what's coming next in the automotive world, make sure you're subscribed and ready, because today we're taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most trusted and best-selling cars of all time. This is the all-new Toyota Corolla 2026, a car that continues to redefine reliability, efficiency, and everyday driving for millions of people around the world. The Toyota Corolla has always been known as a smart, sensible choice, but the 2026 model proves that sensible doesn't have to mean boring. Toyota has carefully evolved the Corolla's design to make it more stylish, more confident, and more modern, while still keeping the familiar identity that drivers know and trust. From the moment you see it, the Corolla 2026 feels fresh and refined. At the front, the new Corolla features a sharper and more aggressive look. The grille is slimmer and wider, blending smoothly into redesigned LED headlights that give the car a focused and premium appearance. The daytime running lights are more pronounced, creating a strong visual signature, especially at night. The hood lines are more sculpted, adding a subtle sporty touch that makes the Corolla feel more dynamic than previous generations. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 Corolla looks clean and aerodynamic. Toyota has refined the body lines to improve airflow, which not only enhances fuel efficiency but also reduces wind noise at higher speeds. New alloy wheel designs are available, ranging from practical options on base trims to sportier styles on higher variants. The rear of the car completes the look with updated LED taillights, a smoother bumper design, and refined detailing that ties everything together nicely. Step inside the Toyota Corolla 2026, and you'll immediately notice how much attention Toyota has given to comfort and technology. The interior feels more premium than ever, with improved materials, better fit and finish, and a layout designed to keep the driver comfortable and focused. The dashboard is clean and modern, with a horizontal design that makes the cabin feel wider and more open. The centerpiece of the interior is the upgraded infotainment system. Depending on the trim, the Corolla 2026 is expected to feature a large touchscreen display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is faster, more responsive, and easier to use than before. Voice commands are more accurate, and the interface feels intuitive even for first-time users. Physical buttons and knobs are still present for essential controls, which is a big plus for everyday usability. Behind the steering wheel, the digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information. Drivers can choose different display layouts to show speed, navigation, fuel efficiency, or safety alerts. The steering wheel itself feels solid and well-designed, with easy-to-reach controls for audio, phone, and driver assistance systems. Seating comfort has also been improved for 2026. The front seats offer better support, making long drives more comfortable, while higher trims may include features like seat heating and power adjustment. Rear passengers benefit from improved legroom and better headroom, making the Corolla a practical option for families and daily commuting. Overall, the cabin feels quiet, relaxed, and thoughtfully designed. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla 2026 continues to focus on efficiency, smooth performance, and long-term reliability. The standard petrol engine is expected to be an updated 4-cylinder unit that delivers responsive acceleration for city driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Toyota has fine-tuned the engine and transmission to provide smoother power delivery and reduced noise. One of the highlights of the Corolla lineup remains the hybrid version. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid 2026 is designed for drivers who want maximum fuel efficiency without sacrificing comfort or usability. The hybrid system offers quiet operation, smooth acceleration, and impressive mileage, making it an ideal choice for urban driving and long commutes. It's also one of the most environmentally friendly options in its class. Transmission options include a refined continuously variable transmission that feels more natural and responsive than older CVTs. In some markets, Toyota may continue to offer a manual transmission for drivers who enjoy a more engaging driving experience. The suspension setup has been slightly revised to improve ride comfort while maintaining stable and confident handling. On the road, the Toyota Corolla 2026 delivers a calm and predictable driving experience. Steering is light and precise, making it easy to maneuver in traffic and tight parking spaces. The ride quality is smooth, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces with ease. On the highway, the Corolla feels stable and composed, with minimal wind and road noise entering the cabin. Safety has always been one of the Corolla's strongest selling points, and the 2026 model takes this even further. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard across the lineup, offering a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and road sign recognition. Additional safety features may include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and enhanced parking assistance systems. The structure of the car uses high-strength materials designed to improve crash protection while keeping the vehicle lightweight. All of this means drivers and passengers can enjoy peace of mind every time they get behind the wheel. Technology in the Corolla 2026 goes beyond infotainment and safety. The car is expected to include multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless smartphone charging, connected car services, and over-the-air software updates. These features help keep the vehicle up to date and make daily driving more convenient than ever. When it comes to pricing, Toyota understands that the Corolla's success is built on affordability and value. While the 2026 model introduces more technology and refinement, it is expected to remain competitively priced within the compact sedan segment. This makes it an attractive option for first-time buyers, students, families, and anyone looking for a dependable daily driver. The Toyota Corolla 2026 continues to compete with rivals like the Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, and Mazda 3. However, Toyota's reputation for durability, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value gives the Corolla a clear advantage. It's a car that owners can rely on year after year. So who is the Toyota Corolla 2026 really for? It's for drivers who want a car that simply works, day in and day out. It's for people who value comfort, safety, fuel efficiency, and smart technology without unnecessary complexity. It may not be the most powerful or flashy car in its class, but it excels at what matters most in real-world driving. In a world where cars are becoming more complicated and expensive, the Toyota Corolla 2026 stands out as a balanced and sensible choice. It blends modern design, advanced safety, efficient performance, and proven reliability into one complete package. That's why, even after decades on the road, the Corolla continues to be one of the most popular cars in the world. Thanks for watching, Motor World USA. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Toyota Corolla 2026, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and future car updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Corolla and whether you choose the petrol or hybrid version for your next ride.